Here's how we can loop videos in the iPad Photos app. So let me explain the whole thing. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. Okay, so there are some things which you can and which you can't do, but inside of the Photos app, when you go to the live photos, you have the ability to change the effect and make it go from the regular live and actually decide that it's going to be a loop. So it is more of an effect for existing live photos. It's not really for the regular videos, but it definitely gives you the ability to use the loop inside of the built-in gallery app. But of course, we want to loop the actual videos inside of our gallery. So what can we do about that? Well, there are some apps which you can decide to download, like for example, the Looper app where you can repeat the video inside of this app. But again, this is not inside of the Photos app. So if you specifically want to have a video which repeats itself inside of the gallery, you have to actually do it through a video editor. For example, you can try using CapCut where you can import your video into the timeline. For example, the video is 20 seconds long, and all you have to do is just to select it right there and click on a duplicate. You can duplicate it as many times as you want, and you're going to end up with a video which basically contains of the same video being looped, right? So you can then export that, and inside of your gallery, you're going to see the video which we were working on before. But if you duplicated it like 10 times, then it's going to be looped 10 times. So that's how it kind of works if that is the thing that you are going after. Now, it would really depend on the actual goal is, because by default, if you just want to have the video being played over and over again, like if I open it up inside of the gallery, like if I open up any video on the iPad for that matter, you can see that after that time is up, after the video goes to the end, it just starts from the beginning. So if that's enough, then obviously you have it built in, but I'm just trying to show you all of the possible angles and all of the things which you might have in mind. So I hope I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching and sticking with me, and I'm gonna see you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.